Next one here, back again for part 2 of the Longhorn steak review. Food just came, it was really fast. I got a ribeye steak and some rice mashed potatoes. Mom got asparagus, same thing I did, but asparagus and broccoli.
So,
And
you ready to try it? Want me to film it?
Yep.
I'm Mom. So, you ready? Hold on. How do I flip this? All right, wait. Ooh, go ahead, Max. Really good? It's not as good as Uncle Jay's? Nothing beats Uncle Jay's steak, right? Yeah, give a shout out to Uncle Jay. Say he makes the best steak.
You make the best steak ever.
What? Let me try this. Hold on.
9.6.
Hold on. Let me hear. Hold on.
Well, you have to rate it.
You're a novice steak eater?
Steak's my favorite food, okay?
I'm going to try this right now. Takes you too long to cut.
Yes.
Steak is good. It's juicy. I wouldn't give it a 9. This is like a solid 7. It's a 7.
Saying the soup's better?
Well, yes, I do. But it's a solid 7. So
No.
if you want,
9.4.
you know what?
Declaring it 9.4 on the table.
No.
9.1. 9.1.
Next time we have steak, I'm going to take you to Mort's in New York. That's some good steak.
Yeah, but this is like a really good steak, though.
You don't know what good steak is.
Yeah, but still. I would recommend this place, highly recommend it.
You're like
And it's pretty good.
every restaurant loves you in your reviews.
It's like we're going to be going to tons
Oh
more.
wait, let me do my mom out then. Come on. I'm Mom. Out.
You missed it. Do it again.
I'm Mom. Out.
And I'm SuperMax21. Peace.